Now we will explain the consumer's equilibrium two commodity case with the help of a schedule and diagram. Now suppose the commodities consumed are X and Y as we have supposed it earlier. Now in one table we will consider marginal utilities of X and marginal utilities of commodity Y, and in next table we will divide these marginal utilities by price of the commodities so as to get MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. As you are familiar with the fact that MUX means marginal utility of X and PX is price of X, and in the same way MUY is marginal utility of commodity Y and PY is price of commodity Y. Now let the prices of these goods be ₹2 for good X and ₹3 for good Y per unit respectively. And let us suppose that consumer has only 24 rupees to spend on the two goods X and Y. As the prices of two goods are different, so the consumer will not equate marginal utilities of the goods. Rather, he will equate marginal utilities of the last rupee spent on these two goods. That is marginal utility of money expenditure. So in other words, he will equate MUX upon PX with MUY upon PY and both with MUM. Now as we see in the first table, when consumer consumes 1 unit of X, MUX is 20 units, and when he consumes 1 unit of Y, his marginal utility of commodity Y is 24 units. On the consumption of second unit, marginal utility of X is 18, it decreases from 20 to 18, and marginal utility of Y decreases from 24 to 21. Now in the same way, on the consumption of 3, 4, 5, 6 units, these marginal utilities get decreasing. Now the marginal utility of X decreases from 18 to 16, then 14, then 12, and then 10. And the marginal utility of Y decreases from 21 to 18, then 15, then 12, and then 9. Now these are imaginary units. These are not fixed that everywhere this will be 10 or 9. It is not like that. Now we will divide these marginal utilities by prices of the commodities. Now as we know, price of X is ₹2 per unit and Y is ₹3 per unit. So on dividing MUX, that is 20, by PX, that is 2, we get 10. So 20 divided by 2, we get 10. So MUX upon PX is 10 on the consumption of 1 unit, and MUY upon PY is 24 divided by 3, that is 8, because marginal utility of Y was 24 on the consumption of 1 unit and price of Y was 3. So in the same way, by dividing these marginal utilities by prices, we get MUX upon PX 9 on consumption of 2 units, then 8, then 7 on consumption of 4 units, on consumption of 5 units 6, and on consumption of 6 units we get it 5. And that is that of the MUY upon PY we get 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3 on consumption of 6 units. Now as shown in the table, we notice that MUX upon PX is equal to 5 utils when consumer purchases 6 units of good X, and MUY upon PY is equal to 5 utils when he purchases 4 units of Y. So that means MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY. At this level of consumption, consumer spends all his money income of ₹24. Therefore, consumer will be in equilibrium by buying 6 units of X and 4 units of Y, and he spends his entire income, that is rupees 24. On consumption of 6 units of X, he consumes 6 into 2, that is 12 rupees, and on consumption of 4 units of Y, he consumes 4 into 3, that is 12 rupees. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So at this point he maximizes his utility. Now, as we have assumed earlier that MUM is equal to 5. So on this consumption we see that MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY, and both are equal to MUM. So consumer strikes equilibrium on consumption of 6 units of X and 4 units of Y. The same fact is illustrated with a diagram. On diagram, so in the diagram we measure consumption of the commodity on x-axis and MUX upon y-axis, then MUX upon PX on x-axis of first diagram, and MUY upon PY on the y-axis of second diagram. So on x-axis we measure consumption of the commodities, and on y-axis we measure MUX upon PX and MUY upon PY. So in the same way we see in these diagrams that on consumption of 6 units of X and 4 units of Y, consumer strikes equilibrium, and in both these diagrams we see that MUX upon PX, when it cuts 6 units, it reaches MUM, that is 5. So both these lines intersect at that point where MUM is 5. So therefore MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY, and both are equal to MUM.